Hi guys, I just thought that maybe if I can just give you guys a little tutorial or sort of like an instructional sort of a small video where I can just tell you guys how to book a room at StayUncle.com. Basically, this is a company where we give out they give out hotel rooms for dating couples. So it's pretty simple. This website is right here. This is a pretty neat website. All the featured hotels are mentioned here. Your cities, this is a place where you can find your city, your check-in dates, number of guests, and according to the number of guests, the number of room changes. Yes, local IDs are definitely allowed, and you need your IDs, which is like your Aadhaar or your driver's license or your passport or your voter ID. Any of these four IDs will work, and both the people in the couple have to have them. So it's pretty simple. How do you make a booking? So this is basically a section. If this is like a fast, express booking is what I understood this to be. For example, these are some of the major cities where maximum booking goes probably, and the rest of the cities you can find over here. So for example, if you are somebody who is from Kolkata, then you can just hit this here, and immediately today's date bookings will come. Sorry, the hotels will come, and then you can obviously choose your date when you want to stay. So these are like the list of the hotels which have come up in Kolkata. The rate is mentioned, the ratings are mentioned as well, and according to the ratings, you can see, for example, the price is also here. So if you want from the highest to the lowest price, the hotels will be listed here, and other way around as well. If you want the highest rating hotel, these are the hotels with the highest rating and they'll come up first. So this is the bathtub option. Basically, if you want to book a room with a bathtub inventory, so you can just check on this, and these are the hotels which have the bathtub room. So Regenta is obviously sold out because it says sold out over here. But for those of you, basically the idea is that once you check on this button, then all the hotels with the bathtub inventory will show up. In case bathtub is not your thing, then you can just go back to basics and then just choose your hotel according to your preference, your budget, or your location, whatever is important to you. So how do you book? For example, if I want to book alfresco, so here I am. I will go to alfresco. If you want to check out the photographs, it's like right here. You can check. These are the amenities available. This is the Stay Uncle assurance, basically. And here are the reviews. So this place has one review. So if you guys have stayed in this hotel, then you can put your review as well. It'll be helpful for the other couples. So for example, we are booking for 17th of May and we are booking the 10 a.m. slot. So there are three slots, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., 9 p.m. to 10 a.m. and your full day bookings. So there are two ways to make payments. So we have chosen one room, two guests, 17 May, 10 a.m., 7 p.m. checkout. Either you can pay your full payment online. In that case, you can just go straight to book now and you can put your card details, or you have Airtel Money or Ola Money or MobiQuick. Uh, Whatever the options are available, they will pop up over here on the screen. It will pop up like that. If you want to pay at the hotel, then check on this box. So the breakup will come. So this is your slot price basically. This is the taxes. This is what your total is. So this is basically reservation charges. This is to ensure that your booking is confirmed because you are paying the rest of the money in hotel. So these are just your reservation charges which will confirm your booking. So this is a certain amount that is charged. It's pretty nominal, as you can see. It's just 590 bucks, and the rest you can pay at the hotel. If you have a discount coupon code, then you can apply the coupon code here. You hit the apply button, and that will show over here, and then your deducted price will show over here total. And then you just go to book now. Once you go to book now, you'll get an OTP. Put your OTP and then your payment will be confirmed. Once the payment is confirmed in a while, then you're going to get your reservation confirmation, which is a booking ID. So it's pretty simple. In case you need to speak to the customer care, the number is available here in the top right of the website. So basically, you need to make an account in my profile, and all your past booking history will show in my bookings. Under the same category is where you can put reviews. So over here you can put your reviews. This is your favorites basically, if you have some favorite hotels that you like to go back to. So you can just go straight to my favorites here. If you guys want to download, you can download the app as well. Although it is at the moment, the pay at hotel and the bathtub options are not available in the app. It'll be available pretty soon, in a matter of few days actually. So in case, so this was like the express booking. For example, if you want to book in city like Chandigarh, so you can just type and it pops up. Choose your date, 17th of May. These are your slots. We want to pick a day slot, so here it is. Search. So the same page will come up. Basically, you can do your bookings here. If you want a bathtub room, so Chandigarh doesn't have any hotels with bathtub, so we can uncheck this. And yes, the rest of the hotels are here. It's pretty simple actually. There's no, it's you should know your way around the website a little bit. It'll just take 5 minutes for you guys to know what to do with the website. It's pretty simple. So yeah, you guys just need your ID and your booking ID, and you have to be adults, 18 plus, and that's all that's needed. So these are the featured hotels in bathtub hotels in Delhi, featured hotels in Mumbai. So if you just want to like quickly check which are the hotels, bathtub rooms that you want, so you can just pick one of them here. Here is Bombay, same thing. It's pretty nice. And for those of you who are on Android, you can get your app here. iOS, you can get your app here. And this is basically the rest of the website where you can just check out and look around. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You can just go. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and easy to understand. So go guys, book quickly and have a good time.